These wheels have very powerful holonomic consistency. Every 20 days, there are 4 wisdom chromatics from cardinal to polar. The 5th force is represented by the signal family. For example, in the Dragon Serpent Red Wisdom Chromatic of View, the 5th force is Night. World Bridger Dog Chromatic is Star. Monkey Eagle Chromatic is Skywalker, and Warrior Sun Chromatic is Mirror. The 5th force signal kin is always the antipode to the color that creates the chromatic. Study the chromatics as a structure of meaning. They describe fundamental processes. Among the later Highland Mexicans, the year-bearers were the signal family, and in the Chilambalam tradition, the signal family codes the day out of time. The 5th force functions purely outside of the 3rd, 4th dimensional time frame. In the Wheel of Becoming and the Wheel of Return are defined new wisdom chromatics, the red, white, blue, and yellow. Chromatics are 5-unit biological social structures operating according to time. The overtone chromatics describe the 13-moon calendar biotelepathic cycle in time, starting on galactic synchronization July 26, and ending with the signal family day out of time July 25th. The 3 types of 5 kin chromatics are coded by the Earth families in the following way. The first, or clan chromatic, is polar, to gateway. The second, or overtone chromatic, is gateway to signal. The third, or wisdom chromatic, is cardinal to polar. The wheels of becoming and return correspond to 13 chromatic octaves, which happen every 40 kin, from dragon to sun. Each chromatic octave of 40 kin corresponds to 5 harmonic octaves. 8 times 5 equals 40. In each of the chromatic octaves of 40 kin, the tones of the first and last kin are always the same, going from 1 dragon to 1 sun, 2 dragon to 2 sun, etc. The 7th goes from 7 dragon to 7 dragon, then reverses 8 to 6, 9 to 5, etc. There is an interesting set of matching harmonic octave correspondences to the number of units in the AC and CA sides of the psi bank. The AC, cycle of becoming, has 32 octaves and the CA, cycle of return, has 32 octaves. 33 is the mystic octave. The mystic octave contains the 4 master keys of the 65 harmonics: 10 earth, 11 mirror, 12 storm, 13 sun, cycle of becoming, 13 sun, 12 storm, 11 mirror, 10 earth, cycle of return, kin 257 to 260, and kin 260 to 157. We are describing increasing levels of holonomic consistency and reciprocity. It is highly recommended to follow and study the turns of the wheel to experience the continuous fractalizing power of the codes. We can see that the Avatar's Wheel of Time represents absolute history, or harmonic history. This is very distinct from the world of errors created by the fall of Adam. Harmonic history defines the point of origin of the mind of God, absolute realm, to the point of the return in time of Ur, relative realm. These are 2 endpoints in the spectrum of cosmic history. The third point is the return to the absolute at some unimaginable point 13.7 billion years in the future. Cosmic history itself is the expression of a profound set of harmonies that are reflected in the sunlight and trees. As humans, we are always trying to lift ourselves up from the dense physical realm to the more pure vibrational planes of existence. OMA, Original Matrix Attained, is the kingdom of enlightened society of natural time that dawns in 2013. In this way, we see that cosmic history is a process of wisdom unfolding. The lessons we have to learn are encoded in cosmic history. Sooner than later we will enter into higher stages of harmony, where we will feel ourselves in an elevated frequency. Everything in nature is a harmony. Everything corresponds with everything else to create a grand cosmic symphony.